Hi guys, welcome to what I'm going to start calling Tutorial Tuesdays. Just because I'd like to teach everyone things, things I've learned during my time streaming. They'll be varied in topics and programs, but hopefully they'll be useful. So today's tutorial will be how to record desktop audio via Audacity. And I know a lot of people don't like Audacity, but it is better than using YouTube to MP3 sites or weird loop around methods I used to use. So to start, typically your source input is set to MME, and that usually only lets you choose your microphone inputs. To be able to choose your desktop speakers as an input source, you want to change that MME to Windows Wasapi, and this will give you more options like your speakers. And as you can see, I can record from my own YouTube video. Because that's my Chrome, that's where I play. And so that's how I've made a lot of my sound alerts or my channel redeem noises, and it's so helpful. But I hope this helps everyone. Bye!